In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow Steam download speeds, and we'll get this sorted within just 5 minutes. Slow internet can be frustrating when you're eager to dive into your favorite games, so let's make sure you get the best out of your Steam experience. Let's jump right into it. Begin by opening your Steam app. You can find this on your desktop or by searching for it in your Start menu. Once you have Steam open, you'll want to click on the login option. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your account name and password. Once entered, simply click on the sign in button. This will take you to your Steam homepage where all the magic happens. Next, look at the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll see the word Steam. Click on it and a drop down will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This menu contains numerous options that let you customize your Steam experience. In the settings window on the left hand side, you'll find an option labeled Downloads. Click on it. Now there are a couple of adjustments we can make here. First, let's clear the download cache. This simple action can often resolve issues with downloading. Another tip is to ensure that your download region is set to a location that's geographically closer to you. This can have a significant impact on your download speeds. After that, make sure the limit download speed to option is unchecked. We want your Steam client to access as much bandwidth as possible. An additional trick is to allow downloads during gameplay. By turning this option on, your games can download updates or new titles even when you're playing a game. Now let's exit the Steam client. Click on Steam again and select exit from the drop down menu. This ensures that all the changes you've made are saved correctly. Moving on to the Task Manager. Open it by right clicking on the taskbar and selecting Task Manager from the options. Once open, navigate to the Performance tab. Here you'll want to click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner and select Resource Monitor. Navigate to the Network tab within the Resource Monitor. This will show you all of the active processes using your network. If you notice any applications that are consuming a lot of bandwidth, you might want to consider ending those tasks to free up more bandwidth for Steam. Right click on the process and select End Process for those programs that are hogging your internet. By following these steps, you should experience a noticeable improvement in your Steam download speeds. Remember, these small tweaks can lead to significant improvements, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. Thanks for watching and happy downloading.